going from the first board, which you're looking at there, to the second board, which you're looking at there. And it looks like I'm missing steps on the y-axis because the relay isn't sitting in the holes as it should be. So there you go. I can see the holes are way out of line. But as you can see, it's only in the y-axis, the x-axis. Drilled holes, fine, no problems at all. The transistor is in the right layout. The IC is in the right layout, and all the other components except for the relay. And as I said, if I take the relay off, you can see that the X left to right is okay. I'll go in a bit closer for you. But you can see there that the other pins are actually way out. The pin on the right of the three, that is correct distance from the pin on the bottom for the relay. It's the other two that are out. And as I said, that is in the y-axis. I'm going to have a word with Patrick, unless somebody online can, on YouTube, can enlighten me. I'm using the is it the NE17 stepper motor? Using the Chinese controller board that I had to modify. With Ryan's mod for the 5-volt rail. But yeah, if anybody can throw any light my way, excellent. Okay peeps, I'm going to change the y-axis to the way I've connected the x-axis up, because I still can't get rid of the missing steps on the y-axis. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but when it's bad, it's always the same amount. It's never 2 mil here, 4 mil there, okay here, 6 mil there. It's absolutely spot on every single time and in the same place. So I'm putting that down to mechanics, because it must be sticking or something in exactly the same place every time. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the Y table off, and sorry for kicking the camera. I've now got that all loose, so I should be taking that out, and that's simply achieved by popping it out of the bearings. That bearing can stay put, lovely. I'm going to take this apart, get to the long nut, and then get some hard drive discs organised and drilled, ready to mount on here. I haven't worked out how I'm going to mount it onto the table yet. This is going to come out, I'm afraid. I don't know why it's not working. It should work fine with that there, but we'll just have to try and sort it out, won't we? Okay peeps, thanks. One thing that I did was I did a bit more research on YouTube and the net in general, and while I didn't notice it in the beginning, I have no idea whatsoever. But every CNC I've looked at, every picture of a CNC I've looked at, the Y table axis, driven axis, was in the middle. I never saw one to the side, like I had it. So I think that's where a lot of my problems were, hopefully. So we'll soon know. I think I've got myself a jam factory, because all I've done is move the threaded bar to the centre, and look where the block is on the bottom of the Y table. I can connect to that ever so easy. Jam or what, eh? The force must be with me. Table, I've marked either side of the studded bar on the very edge, and the reason for that is I want the bar to be in exactly the same position once it is fixed to the block on the Y table, and then I can make some temporary mountings to go on, so I can then fix it to the block. And then what I'm going to do then, put the Y table back on, excuse me, and then I will drop the bearings into the holders, and take the temporary mountings off, and then drop the bearings into the holders, and then it'll be in exactly the right place, and hopefully that'll be jobs a good 'un.